absolute best time to move things is after it's rained all night. And right now, here in Zone 5, we're toward the end of April. And if I want to move my plants around, I love to do it in April because you start getting into May and especially June when that temperature heats up and plants are more likely to suffer from wilting after you move them and tear up the roots until they can grow more roots. They're going to suffer. So that's why we give them lots of water. Lots of times though, after rain like this, the water isn't so important, especially when it's cool out there like it is now, and it's not going to dry them up in the hot sun. So yeah, after summers here, I don't move things around unless I absolutely have to. So what I'm going to do today then is move around a couple of things. Right here is one I want to start to move around. A white trout lily, a dogtooth violet. And these have been here ever since I started gardening here. I mean, they weren't at first because this area used to be originally mowed. Here's one that is getting ready to bloom. They've already, some of them bloomed. They have like a tiny white flower. But I think they came from my dad's house. After he passed away, I brought a bunch of his plants over here and they were probably with those. But yeah, that's been in the 1980s. That's where they came from. So they're all over back in there, in those bushes. And then this is the area here that I'm going to take out these bushes so this whole area can be raspberries. I put my shovel right in here at the edge. And here's what we're wanting right here to move. So I'm going to carry it with as much dirt as possible. Maybe take out these creeping jazz. I'm carrying this very carefully so that it stays in one big clump of dirt like this. So I can trying to avoid tearing up the roots as much as I possibly can. So I'm just got this whole clump of dirt right on my shovel. And I'm just carrying it like this. And I prepared this hole here. I prepared this hole here with this nice mixture of leaves and organic material to simulate a forest environment. I think that trout lily is native to the Adirondacks forests, Adirondack forests, and so that's why I've got all the leaves and things in here. So now I'm going to try and hope it makes it.